In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take notes on the Notion app. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional note setup that saves you time every time you jot something down, whether it's from class, a meeting, or a personal project. We're going to make this easy by starting with one of Notion's free note-taking templates. If you've never used templates before, don't worry. They give your pages a polished structure and you can customize everything later so it fits the way you think. Go ahead and open Notion. Look up at the top left corner for the three horizontal lines, the main menu. Give that a click to expand more options. This small step opens the door to a lot of powerful tools that Notion tucks away to keep the workspace clean. In that sidebar, find the Templates option and select Browse Templates. You'll see a library organized by categories, everything from project management to personal goals. For today, head to the search bar at the top and type note-taking. A handful of templates will appear. Take a moment to preview a few. Some are simple and minimal, focused on quick lists. Others feel like full digital notebooks with columns, tags, and ready-made sections. Choose the one that feels natural for how you like to capture information. You can always come back later and try a different one if your needs change. Once you've found a template you like, click it and then select Use this template or Add. Nothing is committed until you confirm, so feel free to explore before you decide. Here's where the magic happens. Your template appears in your workspace, already structured and ready to go. Think of it as a welcoming digital notebook with sections for titles, dates, categories, and content areas. Because it's pre-built, the heavy lifting is done for you, and you can jump straight into writing. Start adding your own details right away. Maybe you're setting up notes for a math class, preparing a log for work meetings, or outlining a fiction project. Just type into the fields the template provides. Clear titles and dates make it easy to scan later, and categories help you keep related notes together as your collection grows. If you want to personalize the look, you can change the cover, add an icon, tweak colors, and rearrange sections. Keep it simple or make it expressive, and the template is just a starting point, and Notion gives you full control. And that's it. You now have a professional, organized note-taking system that's easy to update anytime. As you use it, keep refining the layout so it works even better for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Notion tips and tutorials.